Nope.
You're videotaping greatness right here.
I am.
It's a super special car.
Videotaping. Is this 1985?
We're kind of down to the final road, so to speak. So exhaust is here, car graphics, HRV wheels are here. I want to get an engine in this thing and drive, but we got an inch of snow coming tomorrow, so that's going to be fun.
You're watching Olsen Spec.
Match body color.
The anticipation is building.
Yep. Oh, it's the last one. It's great. That's amazing.
Couldn't have planned it better.
Literally. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
Pretty badass.
I like that a lot. If this is your first time seeing this build, we are building a custom 1983 Porsche 930 Turbo from the ground up. We got it back from paint and have started reassembling the car. Now a lot of small details are being added onto the car. Powder-coated trim, additional sound deadening, roof liner, headlights, gauge rings, and there's even more behind the body panels that you can't see. There's a lot left to do, so let's get it done. We're here with Aquaman.
Let me get my screwdriver.
We got a little meeting of the minds going on over there. Look at these guys.
Got the whole shop, one car.
So this is something that we do when we near the end of a project. Everybody gets around the car. All of these guys are mechanics and office guys or whatever, and they've all touched one point of the car at some point in time. It's a G-body. It's not our first rodeo. So what they do is they take 5 minutes and they look at the front, or maybe 10 minutes and look at the front, and then another group takes 10 minutes and looks at the back, and then they switch. And the group that was in the back goes to the front, and the group that was in the front goes to the back, and then they go underneath, and everybody looks at every system on the car, and then you see, hey, what's left? What do we need to do? What have we forgotten? How can we be better? And that's about the only way that we found to keep the chaos at bay. It works really well.
We should get like an Olsen one, so every time they fill up their car, a leather Olsen embroidered. Look at Don. Every time you fill up your car,
You don't want to keep showing them the Olsen logo. They're going to remember their bill. Okay? Yeah, exactly.
Which makes sense because 87, the ducting's on this side, isn't it?
Okay.
Just had a big K&N coming off the where this normally goes to the CIS elbow. We just put an air filter on it.
Put a cone on you,
So
and
you're
everything's
gonna
gonna be
have-
sucking all the crap off the ground.
You're gonna have this pipe. This goes here. This goes here through the sheet metal, and yeah, you literally just throw a filter on the end of this, because this would normally go to your CIS unit. I mean, that's simple.
Front dash. I still need to, we need to go through all this. We got to mount that.
All the metal pieces that sit here. There's a plastic duct that goes
Oh, you
through
have
here.
that?
I'll keep an eye on it for you.
We still have a lot of parts on the powder coat rack. AC bracket, it's all in those bins labeled up.
Obviously, we need an interior.
Yeah.
We need carpet.
Yeah. Can we ever find
Scratch on oil cap. They just need a casket. You got it, boss.
Oh. These for signing.
Well, I can't guarantee it was ever ordered.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, see, those are the little ones. But you can cut those off too. Yeah.
Right, and it may come with, a lot of the custom intercoolers come with their own custom brand. You think 5 or 6 of us can pick this sucker up?
Pick this whole
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hell
Where
yeah,
are we,
brother.
Where are we moving it to?
Actually, no, it'll be okay on this little guy.
Yeah, we can lift it. We can move it if we need to move it.
You kidding me?
Bro, put it on the engine table.
We got Nick here,
Work
man.
with these because you have to put it in a big angle.
Yeah, that's why you have the big.
Lift this up on the deck.
So when you have it tipped on the engine table, how do you lift up the back?
What back?
The back of the engine. Or how do you independently fit the engine on that table?
You get the trans in, you leave it at a pivot, and you raise the whole table, and it's raising at an angle like this. You hook up the trans, get it in there, you know, and then that's when you can start.
But if you start lifting the table, it's going to push up on the trans.
Yeah, so you put like a stiff leg or a jack, and then lower this and slide your arm out. You know how it's got that like long arm? You put it like here, and then you just put a pole jack or something, slide it out.
Just put a pull jack in there, you know, and
The sensor itself.
I think you twist it to the right.
It's already loosey, man.
Yeah.
Dave, do you remember if there's plugs in the tunnel for the speed sensor? Should be.
There is 2 wires in here, and they're
Like a
laid-
square, like a square plug.
Engine part for the Multec. So we need to
Yeah,
get that outlook and then
What's that?
Will they be any of these? Because these are just going to do them down. I don't make sure this is AC, but this can go down too.
Good.
So I don't.
No, those. No, it should be in the tunnel.
Yeah, because all of them is like, obviously I had to ride my tunnel, so I wasn't sure about these. I just kind of kicked them over.
Yeah.
We still got to do the dome lights.
I got that. I got dome lights, luggage hooks, visors.
We actually have that stuff. We have the surround and the lenses. You just got to cut the holes and snake the wire through.
Yeah, the dome lights. I'll put that.
So I think it grounds through that ring, so you'll have to clean that off. With the LED, though, we got to watch the charging system to make sure it's not gonna not charge.
The best.
Steering wheel, all the components, the surrounds, plastics. I have all those.
That we have, but
We have that, but he was wanting to possibly change the height.
cut the shifter.
Crazy, look at that.
You think it's too high?
All right, that's enough for today.
The kid's a little taller.
Compile all this and then revisit it.
Now it's time to send these gauges to Atlanta. I think that's where they get sent. I have no idea, actually. I want to say it's Atlanta. I have no clue, though. I'm just a guy that takes the off and puts it on, you know?
You just work here?
I just work here.
Recording you.
What are you doing?
We're putting an engine in.
All right.
I'm already recording, Sam. Are my videos not good enough?
I wasn't saying that.
Oh, I mean, you didn't have to say it, but yeah. No, we got this engine over here. We're mocking up because we're gonna toss the exhaust on this today and get our rear bumper set up for the custom cutouts, so we can finish fabbing that up and make it look good. No way to do it without having everything in place first. So a little sneak peek. It's not ready to drive yet, but it will be soon.
John, can you kick the engine towards the passenger side? Yeah, there we go.
the blue car.
Yeah.
What's been happening?
We got the exhaust fitted, turbochargers on, transmission's in. We're working on getting a nice transmission cooler fitted, all the lines plumbed. Crank pulley, we gotta pull the front cover back off and get this fitted with a nice hall sensor for the Motec engine management, but we're plugging along.
All right, and so then what's coming up after that?
After that, let's see, just keep moving with the details. I mean, sheet metal's gotta get on, oil line's gotta get installed so we can get some fluids in it and hopefully get cranking.
All right, sounds good. Don't let me slow you down.
You bet.
Sitting like this with the hoses here.
Yeah, well, that's why I didn't even put the hoses on all the way, because I knew where I was going to have to pull the bottle back off.
Yeah.
And obviously now we got to
Maybe tweak it a little bit so you're happy, and then I'll have Mark vapor blast this so it's ready to go.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's an easy one.
That's a little bracket. It's like, okay.
Dude, how do you feel like this guy keeps over here with this camera, dude?
Every time.
And then they wonder why we can't get any work done because of this right here. This, you are the problem.
Usually this is when I start screwing up or having issues with things.
Yeah.
The camera's in my face.
No.
Hi, I'm a Jinx.
You are a jinx.
Like close to me.
Insert chiropractor joke from all the other times we've done this.
Okay, now breathe.